now proceed to your breaking the patient. So when you start breaking the patient?
Pag sedated na.
After sedation and after skin-cut. Usually they skin-cut the patient into the first session. Skin-cut is usually done by the circulating fluid. So they will get the most signal to break the patient. So the sponge nurse will take this with a string. So get your towel from the hand stand. Sir, hand stand, sir. Yes, away from the water. So all the force wires will come up for inversion size and out. Then wrap it over to the string. Once you wrap it, you put it up. Then the instrument nurse will also take the investigation. This is the medical.
Kim, ikaw pasyente, Kim.
So, suppose to let patient hold it lengthwise, one third of the towel is folded towards the patient, using the patient. They have half or the patient size comes out. Wrap it all over to the table. And be sure that you keep your distance from the table, because the table is still unstable. So when you wrap it, just do this. So supposing this is a complication, so next you should take the patient with your lap sheet. Now when you take the patient, hold it with your hold the lap sheet up, give the other end to your instrument.
Sir, both sponge and instrument.
Uy, Robin.
Be sure that you don't drop the lap sheet towards the patient. Instead, this is a steady lap sheet that the patient is still stable. So count your folds towards the head of the patient. 1, 2. Okay. So when the weight is there from the whole, your center is in front of the position. Then hold. Then with your other hand, insert it into the first hole. Raise it up. Look at the center. Hold it up. Then release. Then support.
Kapag ganyan, sir, kami pa.
After taking it, you may now examine the instrument. Once the instrument is on the OR table, drop the towel. This is for your incision lining. 2 towels for your incision lining. Instrument nurse will now count the instrument. Instrument nurse is located to the right side of the patient.
Right.
So kidney basin, put it under your minus hand. Sponge nurse, start counting your OS. You count it loud, open it one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 OS.
Out loud, sir, mag-count.
Because they will record that on the Peninsula whiteboard to record the sponge count and instrument count. Now, as the sponge nurse will count the instrument and needle, OS and needle, the instrument nurse will now count the instruments. So get your thumb forceps or tissue forceps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 curve, 2 alleys. Now you may hang your instrument on the minus.
Sabihin pa namin sir kung ilan sir.
No. You will say 2 Alice forceps, 6 curve, 8 straight. Yeah? Okay. And position it this way. You may hang it on the minus stand or if you can still hang, just put it inside this way.
Pero usually, sir,
Kasi naman,
hinahangat, sir.
So that is, but when it is hanging, be sure that you support it. Dahil kung minsan mabanggayan ng pasyente ng surgeon, so the tendency is the instrument will fall down. So just once in a while, support it and arrange it. Arrange your instruments.
Sir, kapag nahulog, sir,
Pick it up.
Steady lang.
Stand on my own.
Sir, di ba meron pa yung pinalagay yung para natawag clip?
Now,
Ah.
so this is your incision lining. Your incision lining, it is the responsibility of the surgeon to communicate.
Yeah.
It is the responsibility of the surgeon to put the incision lining.
Asya na yan.
Siya na yan,
magawa.
Di ba apat yan, sir?
Okay. So,
Clip siya. Sir, ang...
this
Sino
is the
mag-clip?
surgeon. This is the surgeon who will do this one. This is the surgeon. Trabaho ng surgeon yung trabaho. I will just demonstrate to you how it is usually done. Yung positioning niya.
Di ba ginawa natin yan?
Okay. So this goes to your suction machine. This is your suction table. Okay. Yeah. Then you put one OS down to the surgeon. And in sponge nurse, you get one OS. Squeeze it. Wet your OS. Use this for cleaning your instrument. Now this OS, you don't serve it to the surgeon, no? Because you only use this to clean your instruments. Now, when everything is complete, you will now start the operation. And one more thing, usually they usually observe this surgical safety checklist. No? So there are three parts of the surgical safety checklist. The first part is the sign in. Once the patient comes in, they identify the patient, operation to be performed, consent sign, no? That is the part of that is the sign in. Usually it is done outside, no? Then next portion is the